So we have 3.5.1 says it is further given that Kn is equals to Lm. So Kn is this line that we just found the length for, and then Lm is our line going from L to M like that. So we're told that this is the same length, so this is also root 13. But we know that there are two ways in which this can occur. It's either, or I can't rotate it, but it's either we have our point L is any point along this line. As long as it is on this line, then we can call it L. So what we can do is we can create a circle. So we can create a circle where the center is -3 and -5, and it has a radius equal to root 13. So that would be a circle like something like this. Hold on, I can't really draw it fully, but something like that. Oops, I don't know what's going on with my circles today. There we go. So that would have a proper radius of 13, root 13. And we basically are trying to find the points of intersection with our circumference and the line KL. So this circle, if we were to write in its equation form, it would be x plus 3 squared x plus 3 squared plus y plus 5 squared is equals to, our radius is root 13, so radius squared would be just 13. Then we can go from this to get our equation for the straight line KL is also y is equals to x plus 3. So if we are trying to find a point where they intersect, we are basically trying to solve for this equation. And we can see this is just another simultaneous equation. If you've already practiced paper 1 before, you'll be familiar with this. So substitute our value of y into the value there. So that would give us x would stay the same, so x plus 3 squared plus y we replace with x plus 3 and then plus 5 squared is equal to 13. And we can simplify this by multiplying that out. That will give us x squared. X times 3 is 3x times 2, that will give us 6x. 3 squared is 9. Then inside here we can have x plus 8 squared is equals to 13. We can bring this 13 to the other side, it will become minus 13 and equate it to 0. And then from here we can continue and say 9 minus 13. So that would give us minus 4. So we can update our equation, x squared plus 6x minus 4 plus x plus 8 squared. That is going to be, we square 8 first, we get x squared. Then we multiply them together, then multiply by 2. So 8x multiplied by 2, that's 16x. And then we square the last number, which is 8 squared is 64. This is the shortcut to foiling out or expanding. Then we can collect the like terms again. X squared plus x squared, that gives us 2x squared. 6x plus 16x, that gives us 22x. Then 64 minus 4, that gives us 60, is equal to 0. Then once at this point, we can divide everything by 2 to get x squared plus 11x plus 30 is equal to 0. Then you can open up your two brackets, or at this point you could use quadratic. That is a viable option as well. So here we're going to put our x there and our x there. Then the factors of 30 that we can use in order to create 11. So 30, we have 30 and 1, we have 15 and 2. These are too large. The difference between them is too large. We want numbers that are 15 minus 2, well, could have worked, but 15 minus 2 is 13, not 11. So we keep trying. We also have 10 and 3. 10 minus 3 is 7, 10 plus 3 is 13, so that doesn't give us 13 anyways. We can try 5 and 6. 5 plus 6 does give us 11, so x plus 5 and x plus 6 is equals to 0. Then x is equals to minus 5, or x is equals to minus 6, like that. Then you of course need your y values, your corresponding y values. So basically what we found is that this could happen. This could be the possible values of L at minus 6 and at minus 5, but we still need to know what the corresponding y values would be. Or these are the x, now we need to know the y. So y is equals to x plus 1. We can use the simpler one. Y is equals to x plus 1. Or is it x plus 3? X plus 3, not 1. So y is equals to x plus 3, y is equals to x plus 3. In this case, y would be equal to minus 5 plus 3, which is minus 2. In this case, minus 6 plus 3, which is minus 3. So therefore, L can either have coordinates minus 5, minus 2, or L can have coordinates minus 6, minus 3, like that. Those are your possible coordinates for L in this question.